KuCoin futures trading tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can trade in futures using KuCoin. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, I just want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for general information and educational purposes only. Futures trading is highly risky and is not recommended for inexperienced traders. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. That being said, let's get into the video. The link for KuCoin is given in the description down below. Simply click on the link and you will get to this platform. KuCoin is a crypto platform that allows us to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. And of course, we get our own futures trading option right here on KuCoin. So that's what we will be covering today. And I will tell you everything you need to know in order to do futures trading using KuCoin. Keep in mind that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto involves a high degree of risk, so make sure that you have all the information you need and you truly understand crypto. That being said, let's jump into the video. The link for KuCoin is given in the description. Click on the link and get your own account. Once you sign up for KuCoin, this is where you will get. So this is our basic dashboard and we get the buy crypto option. Then we have markets, we have trade, and in trade we get spot trading, margin trading, and trading bot. Then we have derivatives, and in derivatives we have futures classic, futures Lite, futures brawl, and leveraged tokens. Then we also get the earn option on KuCoin, which is a crypto lending, KuCoin earn, spotlight, KuCoin pool, KuCoin win, and cloud mining. Now we also get our NFT marketplace on KuCoin where we can buy and sell NFTs very easily. So to check out the futures, you will also find the option of futures right here. You can see in the overview. To enable futures trading, you will actually have to agree in all of the terms and conditions. Make sure to read all the terms and conditions given here. It will give you all the different information. Once you have read, then you will simply check these boxes and click on I have read and agree to terms and conditions. It will take you to futures.kucoin.com/trade. This is KuCoin futures. So in here, I have trade option, I have futures brawl, I have references, and in reference, I will be getting contract specification, index, funding rate, insurance fund, tutorial, risk limit, and API. Then we also have our futures bonus right here, and in more we have spot and crypto again. So this is the simple trade. If I go to trade right here, so it will take us to this board. In here, this is our trade board that we get on KuCoin. Let me show you around. I will not actually show you which coin you should buy as I mentioned before, or what are the prices and stuff. I am showing you about KuCoin and you will be able to know how to use KuCoin futures trading and how we can find the perfect coin for us and we can trade using KuCoin, which is an amazing platform. I personally use KuCoin for my trading as well because it has all the right tools. So the first thing that we do is simply select a coin from here, and in here you will be able to find all of the coins. All the popular coins are available. If you have a specific coin that you follow, you can just select it. For now, I will simply select BTC. Then this is our live value, and then we have the mark price right here, 24-hour volume, 24-hour turnout, open value, funding rate, funding settlement. This is the graph that we get, and you will be able to check the live prices according to each minute. This is like 1 hour graph, and I can even get a 1 minute graph. The values are updated every second. You will also be able to check the order book right here, and then we have real-time trades. We also get the order history, fills, profits, stop orders, open orders, and position. So you can see that in our graph right here, what I can do is I can actually, use these different tools in order to add graphs and lines and text to my graph. We get our scale that I can use in order to measure different things. You can see right here, and I can just highlight different sections that are interesting me, like the peak and the lowest values. Then we have text. We have this one right here, the fork tool, which gives us a push tool. Then we have GAN box, we have GAN fan, speed restriction. So it will allow you to add all of these different elements to your graph in order to, check these different values. And I can just place it right here to mark my values. There you go. And now I can write on it if I want to, and I can just mark different things according to different graph, and I can just take a look deeply in depth what is happening. Then we have our place order here. So if you want to place an order, this is where you will get. You can add your price here. Let's go ahead and add the price of $60,000. And I want to check the price of BTC. Let's check for 2 BTC. And you can see that this is going to be USDC. Then we have our leverages, we have percentage, and we also get our own trading password that we have to add. Now simply click on transfer, or you can buy crypto from here. So trading is really easy, and it gives you all of these insights and tools in order to help you trade easily. Then we also have the futures brawl right here on KuCoin. So if I open it up, so it will take me to futures brawl right here, and I can actually play the game. It is a very quick way of earning crypto, and it's a very quick way of trading. All I have to do is I will simply click on long short, or if I want to go with a short one, then we place our bid right here. We can add our predictions, and then it will actually help us earn different points. We can win, and the points will be shown here. We can also get a lucky draw from here. This is like an easy way to make crypto on KuCoin. Then we have futures bonus. In futures bonus, what you can do is you can earn different bonuses, and you get referral bonuses as well. For example, you will be getting $10 if you have your own referral link. Then we also get index and insurance fund here and funding rate. So trading KuCoin futures is really easy, and trading is very easy. You get more productive. You can trade easily using KuCoin with all of these different tools available, and with all of these things that you can do with the graph, and get insights to each and every point, which is updated every second. We can also check our assets here. It will show me my USDT and coins. So these are my futures assets. Let's open it up. In here, I will be able to check my total assets. Right here, we have BTC, and then we have USD. If I want to buy crypto quickly or transfer, I can do it from here. I can also check my futures orders from this option, and it will show me all of my history, my futures orders, my trade history, my funding history, and my deposit, withdrawals, everything. So you can access from this feature from assets. Let's go back to futures asset. So this is like the total assets. Then we have position margin balance, order margin balance, total unrealized P&L, available balance. So if you want to also get your own dashboard like this, your own futures assets, and earn crypto, then the link is given in the description for KuCoin. Click on the link and get your own profile right now and start trading today. You can also get your own assets such as USDT. You can also check your positions. In here, you will get the entry price, mark price, and position. So the more assets you will have, all of the assets will be shown here, and this is like your basic profile. We also get the Lite option of KuCoin futures, and it will directly take you to futures.kucoin.com, and this is like again our assets. In here, I will be able to place an order. You simply get the option right here, and you can add the maximum available balance, maybe 500 USD, and then you can click on long or short. If long, when the price goes up to 1%, and these are the different details that you need to check. Order anything, make sure that you check all the details, make sure that you truly understand trading and cryptos, and then using KuCoin is like a piece of cake for you, because there are features available, tools available for you to help you trade easily and earn crypto. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use KuCoin futures trading. The link for KuCoin is given in the description down below. Click on the link right now and sign up for your KuCoin and earn and trade in crypto easily with all the right features and tools. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.